Hi, this is Catherine here, your hair designer specialized in hair replacement and extensions. My goal is to help men and women address their hair loss issues by providing custom hair restoration and helping to destigmatize hair solutions for men. So today I wanted to walk you through a typical non-surgical hair system maintenance appointment with me at my private shop and give some insights into hair systems for anyone that's new and interested in the hair restoration world. So as you can see from my channel, I'm new to the YouTube, and to be honest, I'm not that comfortable in front of the camera, but so please be kind, patient, and provide any suggestions you may have for future video content. So let's dive in. This client here has been dealing with alopecia since high school, and thankfully he agreed to be my model as I perfected my craft with the non-surgical systems. And we went through a couple different types of systems and adhesives to find the one that really works best for his lifestyle, routine, skin oils, make sure that the system is working for him and not against his lifestyle. So I'll just walk you through a couple of main questions that people have when they're new. So one of them is, can other people tell it's not your real hair? Or what are they going to say when I show up to work with hair and I've been bald for so many years? So this client's story is he's been bald for 20 years, and when he started wearing his hair systems at his work, and the people that didn't know, honestly, they couldn't tell. They didn't know what was different and new with him. He had people come up to him and say, "Oh, I like your haircut," even though he's been bald for that long. So people just are not quite sure what's different, but they know something is different, but they can't tell with the way these systems are applied. Another main question is, will it come off? And no, it should not come off. The way that I've installed the systems, and once I learn your skin, your lifestyle, I will tailor the application method to make sure that it doesn't come off. Of course, we can always adjust as needed. If there are any concerns or changes in lifestyle, I'll work with you to make sure you have the best application. So, and then the other main question that people have is, can I do all the things that I normally do, like work out, swim, shower with this system? And the answer is yes, you can. Again, the application method is tailored to what your lifestyle is. So I would say if you were an avid swimmer, you just need to make sure that you include a deep conditioner into your at-home routine, as chlorine really dries hair out. And then you'll want to spray a leave-in conditioner before jumping in the water so it soaks that up first. But I'll walk you through all of these things as you're going through this hair replacement journey and train and teach you to make sure that you get the best experience and the results that you want out of restoring your hair.